What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back for the break. And today got two blasters of select football. Went to local Meijer, pick up some stuff. And they had a little bit of restock. They had this. They had Series 2 blasters, hangers. And they had Bowman Chrome U. I opted to go with some select football. Seems like it's been a while since I've opened football on the channel. So we'll get right into these. Alright, looking for the red and blue prism die cuts. Find one silver prism die cut on average. Look for autos. And there's what we're looking for. I'll pause, take a look at that. Let's get into it. I actually got into a Chronicles case break with Buck City Breaks the other day, Friday. And stay tuned for upcoming mail day. That was the case was awesome in general. I mean, there was fire coming out of that whole case. But yeah, pretty happy with it. All right. Got Scary Terry starting it off. The Concourse. Hey, DeMar Hamlin, rookie. He is cleared to play. Hayden Hurst will be the select die cut, or the red, white, and blue die cut. And Orlando Brown. Orlando Brown's the premier level. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Cameron Dicker, rookie. Gabriel Davis, turbocharged. Kind of cool card. And Marlon Humphrey be the premier. Lamar. Chris Olave, rookie. David Bell, rookie die cut. And Mac Jones. And the Bell's the Concourse, not numbered. Mac Jones was throwback Patriot uni from when I was growing up. Jake Ferguson, rookie. Alec Pierce, rookie. Stephon Diggs. I think it's a behind the numbers. Oh, it's just numbers. Okay. Something else was behind the numbers. And a nice Keenan Allen die cut. Take that. Set that one aside there for PC box. Or Chargers box, I should say. All right, Kobe Bryant, rookie. Jaquan Brisker. Hey, there we go, Jalen Hurts. And David Njoku. Hurts not numbered. And last pack. Derek Carr. Trayvon Walker, rookie. Sky Moore. And that's certified rookies. And DeForest Buckner on the club level. All right. Clean this right quick, get into blaster 2. These were like $35 or something like that, and I was really him-hawing around about buying them. Took me a while to decide to get them. I won't get more. That's just insane paying for blasters. I know we've all done it, but it's still insane. All right, Christian Harris rookie. Bobby Wagner on the Rams. Dak. And Orlando Brown on the Premier. I swear I got him in the Premier already. Oh, I see a theme already. Son of a... Hey, Calvin Austin third. Russ. There we go. Kenny Pickett rookie. Numbers. Take that. And Marlon Humphrey on the Premier. Yep, all the back cards are the same. How in the hell? Seriously. Nakobe Dean rookie. Kyle Pitts. Alec Pierce rookie die cut. And Mac Jones. Oh, well, at least that one's different. I'm happy with that one. All right, Tua. Oh, no kidding, an auto. That's going to be a throwback, too. Brian Sipe. Wow. Brian Sipe, select signatures for the Brownies. All right. Did not expect that one. Brian Robinson, rookie, certified rookie, and I'll take that one. Kurt Warner die cut. Always like Kurt. All right, Lewis Seen. Sam Howell, rookie. T-Law. Look at that one. That's a club level, too. Sweet. Did pretty decent with the die cuts. And Njoku. All right, final pack. Darnold. Jermaine Johnson, rookie. That's cool. Kyle Pitts, future. Nice looking card. Select future. And Brian Cook, rookie. On the club level. Okay, so. Let's see here. The red, white, and blue die cuts. Got T-Law, Dak, Hurts, Hayden Hurst. A couple other die cuts I set aside for myself here. Keenan Allen, Kurt Warner. Nice stack of rookies here. Cook, Johnson, Sam Howell, Scene, N'Kobe Dean, Kenny Pickett, numbers, Calvin Austin, Christian Harris, Trayvon Walker, Brisker, Bryant, Pierce, Ferguson, Olave, and Cameron Dicker. Then a little stack of inserts, select futures, certified select rookie, Pierce die cut, Diggs numbers, David Bell die cut, turbocharged, and unexpected, Brian Sipe. I could tell by the uniforms he was a little bit before my time. I know I've heard his name, but no, I didn't see him play either. So, all right, take that. So that is it, guys. Like I said, I won't get more of these because the price is just insane. I was dumb for paying it in the first place, but we've all done it, and I just won't do it again. But that was fun. That was a fun rip, so I'm not going to complain. But I'd be stupid to. I'm the one that bought them. That's it for this one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments there. And like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe, stay healthy. Have a happy and safe 4th of July, and I will talk to you later.